Show the cube.
So, hi. I am at my grandma's house, and my uncle has messed this cube up. And I actually can solve this. My best time is 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to start right now. You can time me if you want. So now we have the white face and the and we have the first layer. All of them are the same. Now, the next step is to put to finish the second layers. As you can see, this one's already finished. So now I'm gonna do this. Now, the two rings, or layers if you want to call it, are filled. Now I have to do, well, sometimes you have to do the yellow cross, but sometimes it's already solved. So now I have to do the corners. Okay. Good. And now, the whole yellow face is solved. And as you can see, I am nearly done. Now I only have one more step. It is solved.
Nicely done. Take a bow. Take a bow.
So also we are going to do another video on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's cubes. So stay tuned for that for the next video. Bye.